This is the orange list. Number 1, eating. We're used to eating lunch at noon every day. Number 2 is writing. We will be writing a book about pumpkins. Number 3 is meeting. The meeting will begin at 3 p.m. Be sure to bring your laptop. Number 4 is closing. The stores will be closing soon, so you have to go check out. Number 5 is trading. There's no trading food in the lunchroom because of allergies. Number 6 is mailing. He is mailing birthday cards to his grandparents. Number 7 is make. Don't forget to make your bed before you go to school. Number 8 is making. You always spend so much time making your bed. Number 9 is fill. I can fill a bucket with sand. Number 10 is filling. I am spending time filling my gas tank with gas.